Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart.
Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video where we are going to be doing a after Christmas clean with me. So if you need some cleaning motivation after Christmas, make sure that you stay watching as there is tons of motivation in this video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Brianne. I like to create content on lifestyle, homemaking, and motherhood. And so if that's something that you enjoy, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button to stay tuned and updated on all things life and beauty. So without further ado, let's get cleaning together. All right, everybody, we are starting off in the front entryway today as everything just kind of got thrown on the floor. We just got home from our nanny and Opa's house, and so I'm gonna go ahead and just start putting everything away. Alright, so coming back in here, we have these cape costumes for the girls as their nanny and Opa custom built this beautiful wardrobe dress up station. And so stay tuned for that, which I will show in a future video as it's not here yet. But I'm gonna just fold this and put it up on Lily's dresser for now until we get the dress up station here. So now we're going ahead and getting everything back in its spot in our main living area. Everything was picked up off the floor as best as we could possibly get it for our robot vacuum to go ahead and clean the floors so that I didn't have to vacuum. Now that the main living area is cleaned and tidied up, it is now time to show you what Dudley did. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at my robot vacuum and how much it picked up. It's actually insane. I love this thing. So that saved me from vacuuming my house today so I could really focus on the kitchen. So stay tuned for some extreme cleaning motivation coming up here. For now, we're gonna tackle my kitchen table, so let's clean that now. So I hope you guys all had a wonderful Christmas. I would love to know if you still have your Christmas decor up. I plan on taking mine down in the next few days here, so there will be a Christmas clean and undecorate coming up on my channel, hopefully really soon. And then I have tons of organizational videos coming up in 2021 as I plan on cleaning and organizing my entire house. So stay tuned for some exciting stuff coming really soon.
Who understands all the clockwork of our romance? You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, 'cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me.
And if you are still watching, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. And if you haven't already, make sure that you hit that red subscribe button for lots of cleaning and organization videos coming up here on my channel. Out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm done with searching for the truth somewhere else when I just want you. There was a void in my soul. If you're gonna be moving on solo, now that we have tidied up and wiped down the kitchen, it's time to just do some dishes. But I wanted to pop on here. If you are still watching, I would love to know what you had for Christmas dinner. My family had the classic turkey dinner and it was so good. My favorite side dish is either a sweet potato pie or a stuffing. Let me know what your favorite side dish is on Christmas. Now that I have cleaned the garbage can and the kitchen helper, we are moving on to the floors. So usually I work in my kitchen top to bottom, but today I didn't know how long my daughter was going to nap for, as that's when I filmed this video, is when she was sleeping. So I really wanted to wash the floors. So I decided to start on the floors, and then I ended up having time. So if you need some extreme cleaning motivation, make sure that you stay watching, because we are washing and wiping down the entire kitchen. Thank you so much for watching today's Christmas clean with me. I hope that you guys got tons of cleaning motivation in this video. Make sure that you stay tuned. I do have a Christmas clean and undecorate coming up very soon, as well as tons of organization to help get you motivated for the new year here in 2021. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button, and we will see you guys in my next video. Bye!